Hello and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 3 and we are going to talk about household survey. So what is a household? A household consists of one or more people who live in the same dwelling and share meals. It may also consist of a single family or another group of people. A dwelling is considered to contain multiple households if meals or living space are not shared. The household is the basic unit of analysis in many social, microeconomic and government models and is important to economics and inheritance. So, what is a household survey? Household surveys are questionnaires that are given to a sample of households in a population. The purpose of conducting the household survey is to collect data in respect of the socio-economic characteristics of the population. Next, we are going to talk about the type of household survey and factors. There are three types of household survey, which is survey planning, survey operations, and survey evaluation. In survey planning, the designers of the survey make decisions about the major purposes and uses of the survey results. Meanwhile, in survey operation, this consists of the creation of the sampling frame and data collection process. Lastly, in survey evaluation, this consists of checking and evaluating whether the specified end products have been delivered. These are all the factors that need to be considered in survey planning, survey operation, and survey evaluation. There are two primary household survey components, which are a household roster and the questionnaire. The household roster answers questions that needed specific information about a particular household. For example, what is the age and gender of every member of the household? Meanwhile, the questionnaire captures the specific details of every individual in the household, such as the information about personal life, marriage, and children. Before conducting a household survey, an objective should be established so the outcome of the survey will provide the relevant data. Besides, producing tabulation plans and dummy tables will help in the survey since it can lead to the effective planning of the particular survey. The questionnaire developed must be uniquely identifiable to avoid misinterpretation and minimize the risk. Lastly, before conducting the survey, it is important to gain permission from local community authorities and involve them directly in the survey by inviting them together during the visit to the household. Now, we are going to talk about advantage and disadvantage of a household survey. This is because in collecting data, it has two choices between survey and census that usually being confused in terms of which one is better to be used. The advantages of household survey is it is cheaper than doing the census. Accurate and reliable results can be gained that become a basis to make an evaluation in the population by properly selecting a sample survey. Lastly, it can gain much more quality of statistical information using well-trained interviewers. However, a household survey can be costly to produce results that are separate from relatively lower administrative areas. Besides, information given by respondents are often inaccurate, and the household wealth information is usually extremely skewed. The example of a household survey in a real world is a household immunization status. Here are the four main steps for completing this household immunization status. First step is tallying the response. Every time you visit a household, tally each the total number in the household within the age 12 to 23 months with immunization card. The second step is asking questions to identify problem. Find out why a child was not fully immunized and ask the name of the child and listen closely to the caregiver response about the lack of immunization. Next step is totaling the result. Total the tally you kept at the top of the form and pay attention to the number of children who are partially immunized and never be immunized. Sharing information. When you have completed a survey, be sure to share and analyze the result. First, check vaccination information given by household against the immunization register. In conclusion, household survey is one of the most important source of social and demographic statistics. It's also a powerful alternative and it helps to understand the basic needs and the daily challenge faced by every household in the populace. That's all from us. Thank you.